Hey, what's going on, everybody? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I turn this into this. Alright, so first, I was looking for something that was compact, quick to put together. I was hoping that I wouldn't have to use any tools to put it together, and basically something minimalistic. So as you can see, everything behind me, that's the entire bed. I think it's one sheet of plywood, 4x8, and I believe it was 4, maybe 5 2x4s, 8 feet long. But as you can see, it stows away pretty quick, and I can put it together in about 7 minutes when I get to the camp. Sometimes I get there late, I don't feel like spending a whole bunch of time. Let me show you how I put it together. So the first thing that you're going to notice is the color. Wood is obviously not black. So what I did was I coated everything with the Rhino lining that you can buy from Harbor Freight. I coated all sides with it. So once everything was coated, like I said, I didn't want to use any tools. When I got to my camp, sometimes I get there, super late at night or really early in the morning. So I didn't want to bring any extra tools with me. I got enough stuff to bring as it is. So what I did was I went on Amazon, and these little latches, I'll try to leave a link in the description, but I put one on where all the connections were going to be. Where I was going to do a screw, I did these little things. And really all they do is they just hook into each other. And that's it. It ain't going nowhere. Easy to take apart, easy to put on. That's what I was looking for. For the top of the bed, if you will, where you lay down, where you would put your mattress, I have those, it's cut into 3 sections. And what I did with that is I use these little flag hinges, and I'll show you that in a minute when I put it all together. Alright, so the frame took 1 minute and 34 seconds to put together. The bed, this is the trickiest part, but they just kind of slide on, and there you go. They just slide on. So let me put these other 2 on. We'll be good to go. Alright, this little section's for my feet. Since I'm a little too big for the bed, I had to build this section because I got to sleep at an angle. But as you can see, one little latch is facing up, the other one's going to face down, and then it's going to slide on together. So I'm going to finish building this so I can give you all a completed time frame. There we go. Voila. Now you can sleep. And now the only other part to do is to slide this under the bed. And this is for all of your bins and little propane burner if you have one. Little cooktop. There you go, it's complete. So that took all of about 4 minutes. So these are the little flag hinges I was talking about for the top of the bed. The reason why it's tricky is this side's connected to the top of the bed and this side's connected to the 2x4, and you just have to line them up and they just slide on. And you can bring your bed up, bring your bed down. That's it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed it. As you can see, it's not too bad, as long as you don't mind sleeping at an angle. But I'm gonna get out of here. As always, thanks for tuning in. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. In the next video, I'm gonna do a complete tour of everything I got. Catch y'all next time.